Hello and welcome to How To channel. Today I'll be taking you through how to save SvG file in your Photoshop. So let's get started. I'll open up my folder. I'll open this project with the Photoshop. Now once it opens, I want to save this file in SvG file. So first thing first, go to the edit, go down to preference, click export, then go down to use legacy export. This place, take this. Once you enable it, click OK. Now once you click OK, I want to export this file as SvG. I'm going to File, Export as. You see SvG export. Download, Peacock, click save. Now once I go to my Peacock folder, you can see the SvG file. This is how you successfully save or export SvG file from your Photoshop. For more videos like this, do subscribe, turn on the notification. Thank you.